Hello everyone. This video is for a guy called Paul Craig. He has asked in the chat, where do I mount this? The GoPro 360 Max. I'm going to show you. Right, you got the front of the bike, and if we come around the front, ace calf. I mount it there. I've just ordered some more of these sticky mounts. I'm going to place one here as well. Plus, I've got my boom mounts all on the way. So, as you can see, there, it's just on the wing mirror. So, flick this rubber bit up, and I have it this way, so the screen faces me. Pull that up. Oh, this is going to be fun. This is when I drop my GoPro. Literally push that in. Make sure it's in. Put the mat in, the rubber bung in. That stops it from opening up and flying down the road. And squeeze past, and Bob's your uncle. It's sat there on the mirror. So when you get this view here of me riding, it's coming from this. She needs a clean. But I've got, like I said, I've got a lot more of these. I think they're called M5 sticky mats, which just sits on this tray. And people probably going to go, why, Rich? Why have you put it on here? Because it could fall off at any point because this unclips. But it unclips that way, and it's pretty tough. But what happens is, with the force pushing against it, keeps it locked in. So I have thought about it. I haven't just put it there thinking, oh, it could fall off. This actually, with the force of riding, that actually holds this plate on the actual bike itself. So it's actually pretty good. I was going to start sticking mounts on the top of the back box, ready for Scotland, but we're changing this up. We're changing this back box up. We're going to get a rectangle box because my 10 gear's got to go on this. It's going to be an absolute fucking sight for sore eyes, this bike. Look at the state of her. But when I go to Scotland, I'm doing it in over 3 weeks. I'm going to have the back boxes, rectangle box on there, but across the front here, right, and it actually works, I'm putting my material panniers. I've got some Givi panniers, so they come right across the front side, but not enough to block the airflow. It looks pretty good. It actually looks a fucking state, to be honest. But that is, I just want to know that I've got everything I need, because when we do Scotland, Matt is coming with us for the first week. But after that, I've got 2 weeks on me Jones, wild camping, and taking the drone up and etc. But it's going to be cool having the GoPro over this side as well. So, yes, it's going to look good. But I've also got the boom, so I can mount it, the Go 360 camera, all over my bike. So wait until I get the back box, the new box, so I can put things in properly without it being all screw with. And then, yeah, baby, Scotland is only a few months away, and I am so nervous but excited. So, yeah, Paul, this one's for you. That's where my GoPro mount sits, on a dirty wing mirror. So, hope you like. Thank you.